Good morning guys, welcome to another Motovlog. Happy Diwali. Hope you guys had a great Diwali. I am riding on 1st of November. There's been a big confusion whether Diwali was on 31st yesterday or is it today. Irrespective, Happy Diwali. By the time this vlog comes out, it's going to be much later. So I hope you guys had a great Diwali. Hope you enjoyed yourself. I am on my way for the Diwali ride, group Diwali ride to Gurgaon. I am crossing Rajokli now. Our meeting point has changed. It was typically ambulance stall, but because there's so many other bikers and then they make a lot of ruckus there. They do stunting and stuff, and the cops are always there. No fault of ours. So we've decided to change our meeting point, and that's a little further. I haven't seen the new meeting point, so I'm going to find it. It's on Google Maps, and I should be there in the next 5 minutes. I will catch you guys on the way. Alright, bye. So this seems to be the meeting point as for Google. I'm almost there. I don't see... I see 2 people. Only 2 people? I thought it's going to be a big group. Yeah, dogs there. Alright.
The influencer.
Hi dog.
Travel influencer.
Good morning dog. Happy Diwali dog. Happy Diwali dog. I thought I was going to be late.
Sorry?
I thought I was going to be late.
Bang on time, 8 o'clock.
Oh, बस ठीक है dog. Well, I've never been to this. ये वाला meeting point नहीं देखा. ये ठीक है? नहीं, but I think this is a much better place to meet. Much better. बिल्कुल. Agreed. Got it, Pratik. So we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of us here ahead of ambulance stall. It's called the Shady Bridge. That's a new meeting point. What we're doing is we're keeping it short. We're going up to the beginning of KMP, and from there we're going to take a U-turn and then head to the Chayos, that complex right opposite Bristol Hotel for breakfast. So I got Pratik, got Dog, got Zoe, Anuj is ahead, Mukul is behind us. So a lot of the guys from the group are going for God's annual trip abroad. Annual happens once a year. So this year the trip is to Japan. I think a few of them have left today or would be leaving today, and the rest of them are leaving tomorrow. And this trip would be for about 10 to 12 days. I would have loved to go ride in Japan, one of the most amazing countries I've ever been to. But unfortunately, because of work and my schedule didn't match the dates, so I can't go. Hopefully next year, another country, another destination. But that's the plan for the group. So I don't think I'm going to be riding this Sunday, because I don't think there are going to be too many people around for the ride. We'll probably get back on the saddle next weekend. But I wish the entire group an amazing holiday, amazing biking trip in Japan. I think this would probably be one of the few groups from India that will be going to Japan for a bike trip, for bike touring on the bike. Exciting, but there's always the next time. Alright, see you. Let's go. So just stopped at Manesar Toll to regroup. It's such a small group. One of the guys peeled off. I think he wasn't feeling too bright, so he's moved on to the breakfast venue. So guys, I noticed a lot of people burned firecrackers yesterday, 31st of October, those who celebrated Diwali yesterday. In spite of the ban against firecrackers in Delhi, I find it strange that I heard a lot of firecrackers where I live around my residence, but I don't know those people, so I can't say anything to them. But on Instagram, I have a lot of friends I follow, they follow me back. And I'm talking about literate people here, people who follow norms, follow rules and regulations, try and follow the law, I guess. These are the guys who've been professing that yes, there should be a ban on firecrackers, AQI levels anyway go up. during this time of the year. A lot of factors, everybody knows: industrial pollution, vehicle pollution. You've got, of course, Diwali, which is, say, one day or maybe a few days plus minus Diwali that people burn firecrackers. And of course, one of the major reasons also is because of the changing weather pattern. The air is becoming denser. It doesn't let the pollution escape. The stuff like that, so it kind of traps the pollution. So, and stubble burning and all that. So much so. But yet, so we get that one opportunity which is under our control, which is under every civilian's control, and that is not to burn firecrackers, to adhere to the ban, not to violate the ban. Yet, I saw on a lot of people's stories online that they were burning firecrackers. And strange, why are you living this double life? Why have these double standards that in one go you professing that there shouldn't be firecracker burning, and then you're putting out stories celebrating Diwali with tons of firecrackers. Anyway, whatever, this is my opinion. I don't think it's the right thing to do. Obviously, by the time this video is out, Diwali will be long over. But I hope, I have my fingers crossed, a lot of people are celebrating Diwali today also, which is 1st November. So I hope some sense prevails. We've reached breakfast point. I'm coming after quite some time. So I'm gonna get these guys on the camera first and then take off my gear. Anu, after a very long time.
Back from the hills, darling.
Hi Anu.
Happy Diwali.
I said I'm gonna take off my helmet after I get you on the camera. We're meeting afterward. After ages.
I know.
Hi Raja. Suri Saab, Happy Diwali, Happy Diwali. आई नहीं राइड पे, सुबह आई नहीं.
नहीं यार, working था, कल लेट हो गया.
So guys, left the breakfast point about 20 minutes back. I'm almost home. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more content. We'll be back hopefully next weekend with another ride. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. The festive season shall continue and should continue round the year. Stay happy, be happy, and keep watching. Thank you. Bye.